Hello everyone, and today is the second video of our 5-video course lesson about the C++ for beginners. So in this lesson we will cover a very important topic of integers and about the outputs. So first of all, let's talk about how to write something. For example, you want to display some writing. You want to display some sentence. So what you need to do is you put std :cout, then you put two arrows that are facing this std cout, and in the brackets, brackets are essential to use. You write something you want to say. For example, my name is Sanjar. Then you will put the dot comma. So this dot comma is very important because it ends the command and it shows that this command is fully completed. So for example, if you write without it, as you can see, it will display the error. But if we will put it, it perfectly shows the sentence that we wrote here. So here you can write anything you want. It will still display it. So basically this can help you in displaying some messages that you want to make. For example, I write my name is Sanjar, and then after this you want to display another message that will say for example, I am 16 years old. You again end the command, and if you want to run it, as you can see, it gives you the sentence with the space and at the same line. If you want to put it in between lines, in two different lines, after this you want to write std end list. So this command shows that after this message you want to finish this list, finish this line, and then the next message should come in the different line. So if you put it like this, as you can see, the second message went to the second line. And if you want to put them one by one after one, it will give you like this. And so the second thing that I want to cover today is the integers. So in order to make some value, some variable, you need to write int. Then you give your variable a name. For example, variable 1. And then you end the comment. Then after this you can give this variable any value. For example, var1 equals 15. So it is important to give this variable only numbers that are integer, because we made this variable 1 an integer value. So if you write here variable 1 equals abcd, it won't give you anything. You need to write only numbers. So we give variable 1, and if you will write here variable 1, it will display the value that you gave. As you can see, it should display 15. Also important, I didn't finish this line, so because of this it gave the error. If I finish this line, as you can see, it displays this number. So you don't put the brackets in the variable 1, because brackets mean that the message inside of these brackets will be displayed like letter by letter without giving any meaning to it. So it will just display my name is Sanjar var1 because it is in the brackets. But if you want to display not the var1 writing but the value that is hidden inside this variable, you should not put the brackets. So why is it important? So integers and variables are important to use when you use big data. So instead of writing 15 in any displays, in any outputs, you just simply give it a name, not specifically for one. For example, value, and you just show it in the every sentence, and it will display every time this number. So it will become more easier and simpler. Also, you can combine the writings. For example, if you give it a value of 16, you can write it like this: stdc out. In the brackets, you write I am, and then you put the value. So it will display I am, and it should then display 16. So it should be like I am 16. You can't give it the name of a value because value means something in the C++. So you should give it a simpler name. For example, v11. It's just a code. v11. So what is wrong here? We forgot to change the integer. So we just made the imaginary value here, and as you can see, we didn't give the integer variable 1. So we need to just write here integer and our second integer. So you create one integer that is named variable 1. You need to create second called variable 11. So as you can see, it displays perfectly. So in this example, we forget on how to we just forget to add another integer that we gave value to, and because of this, error displayed. But after we added v11 and gave it a value, it displayed perfectly. And so the home task for today will be to create some integer and then write your date of birth using this integer. So you will need to write your birthday, your birthday year, your birthday months, and your birthday day with using the integers and without just using stdc out. And I will show the answer in the next video. So thank you for your attention. Share this video with your friends that also want to learn C++. Comments, what should I improve in my videos, and see you in the next video.